Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to use the Gumroad API in Python. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Gumroad website right here, gumroad.com, if you're not already. So after opening it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From this home page, the first thing we can do is go ahead and log into your account. If you do not already have an account, just go and create one. So after logging in, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started accessing all the settings regarding our store. And now we can get started following this help center article right here on how to create an application for the API on Gumroad and how to get your own API. So basically guys, generating an access token, here we have the article. What you want to do is sign into your Gumroad account, just like I explained, and then go to your advanced settings. Your advanced settings are located right here in the bottom left corner. By clicking settings, once you open up your settings, you're going to click the advanced tab right here at the top of the screen. The advanced tab is going to enable you to scroll down, find the application section, and as you can see in the application section, you'll see a form to create a new application. So you can provide the following information and click create application. So as you can see, you can provide the application icon, name, and redirect URL and click create. Once you've done that, you are going to see this button right here that says generate access token. So you're going to go and be able to generate your access token and get your API key that you're going to go and be able to use in Python to directly go ahead and locate to your Gumroad store. And just like that, you can get your own API key that you can then implement into Python. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye.